Alright, we are doing the penetration test with the 450 Bushmaster Winchester Super X 260 grain power points. What we're doing is we're going to shoot through 4 2x6s. We've got the flour behind it and then a water jug also to catch it to see how it does. So y'all stick around and see how it goes down. Yep, I picked the windiest day possible to film. Doing a penetration test with the Winchester Super X power points and 450 Bushmaster 260 grain. What we got is the 2x6s, the flour, then the jug of water. And, well, just to let you know, we do have a complete pass-through on the 4 2x6s. We have a big in and out on the flour, and hopefully we've got it stopped in the jug. No, we do not. It actually went completely through the jug. Yep, water in the grass. Went complete pass through the jug. We have the slug right here, so it just dumped the back and that was it. So let's take a look at the bullet. Alright, I'm getting more and more impressed by this bullet every time I shoot it. Like I said, we hit the 4 2x6s and we got a clean pass through, and then y'all see the big hole right there. Let's see if we can take a look at what we got going on inside. So see it opening up a little bit more right there. I got some expansion going on, more expansion, getting a little bit bigger. Let's see, by the third board we are .7 across by the third, and then by the fourth and final board you can actually see light all the way through. That's a beautiful picture right there. It's a beautiful thing. That is edge to edge, 0.78. And then on the back, as you see, barn door blew out. Nice. I mean, that is, if you want to see what the gaping hole is on that, roughly what it is right there. Then we got it going through the flour. But the actual bullet itself, if you can see right there, that's going through wood. That's pretty good. We got 0.57 out of 0.44. There you go. 0.44, 0.57, not too shabby. I have 260 grains. We're still holding on at 231, 230. It's a little windy, so it's vibrating it a little, but 231 retention out of it. That is pretty good for this penetration test we got going on. There's the 0.57 is what's left of the height of the bullet. But yeah, went through 4 2x6s, kept trucking through the flour, and I probably should have put the flour up front and let it expand. I probably should have done it that way. And then we hit the water jug, and it still went out all those. So yeah, that ain't bad. That is definitely got some power to it, no doubt. But there you go, penetration test of the 450 Bushmaster Super X power points. Thanks for watching.